that's why national government and local government working hand in hand to convince UST community. But at the end of the day, this is private, this is property owned and operated by so many divisions, and kaya makakapaghintay naman kami. Dahil, yung sinasabi nga, good things come to those who wait. Tama ba yung English ko?
Tama.
Yeah.
Sure. Sure.
Mayor, ask ko lang po, ano pong opinion nyo if doon sa lumalabas na parang suggestion na bakit hindi na lang, instead of padaanin sa mga congressman yung pondo for flood project, bakit hindi na lang idaan sa local government? Mas, ano nyo ba?
I suggested that.
Oo.
A month ago. It's just a suggestion. Doesn't mean it's a perfect formula. But 2 weeks thereafter, I think it was Inquirer. I saw it with Inquirer na nagsabi si Presidente, I think this is somewhere in Central Luzon when he said that, dapat inform, i-coordinate sa local government yung national budget. 2 days ago, the President, again, during the PLP, Provincial League of the Philippines, tayo, sa mga governor, yun din na sinabi. So mukhang mas tama yun. Why? Ito ngayon. Halimbawa lang, let's just say, wala itong insidente ito. Para wala tayong, alisin natin yung Malaysia. Halimbawa, inilaga sa lokal na pamahalaan yung pondo at ang nag-implement lokal na pamahalaan. Kapag pumalpak, sinong gugulo-gugulo? The mayor or the governor. Tama? Kasi kami may pananagutan sa utaw. Kami may pananagutan sa taong bayan. Balik natin tong incident na to. Pansinin mo, wala pang gumugulong na ulo except that Secretary Vince Dizon today made a very strong move using and utilizing the boundary, the extreme power within the office of the Secretary, firing members of their organization. Sana all ganong mga secretary